three little rabbits, and the time came for them to leave home and seek their fortunes. The first little rabbit built his house out of stickers because it was the easiest thing to do. The second little rabbit built his house out of egg sticks. This was a little bit stronger than stickers. The third little rabbit built his house out of rocks. One night, the big bad chicken, who dearly loved to eat fat little rabbits, came along and saw the first little rabbit in his sticker house. He said,
let me in, little rabbit, or I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down. By the hair of my chin, said the little kitten.
But of course, the big bad chicken did blow the house in and ate the first little rabbit. The wolf then came. The rabbit, the chicken. The rabbit, the chicken. The wolf, the rabbit, the chicken. Then came to the house of egg sticks.
Let me in, little pig, or I'll... Chicken, rabbit. Or I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in. Not by the hair on my chin,
said the little rabbit. But the chicken blew that house in too and ate the second little rabbit. The wolf then came to the house of stone.
Let me in, little rabbit, or I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down. Not by the hair of my chin,
said the rabbit. Well, the chicken puffed and puffed, but he could not blow that brick house down. But the chicken was a sly old chicken, and he climbed up on the roof to look for a way into the stone house. The little rabbit saw the chicken climb up onto the roof and lit a big fire. Oh, and grabbed a big rock and held it in his hand. When the chicken finally found the hole in the roof, he crawled down and whack, right into the big rock. The next day, the little rabbit invited his mother over. She said, "What? You see, it is just as I told you. The way to get along in the world is to do things as well as you can." Fortunately for that little rabbit, he learned that lesson, and he lived happily ever after.